tips to trim and cut faster. To begin, I added some videos to my timeline. Move the playhead to near the end of a clip. Now press W key on your keyboard to ripple delete the end of it. You can do this for the start of a clip by pressing Q key on your keyboard. Now let's go to keyboard shortcuts and change some shortcuts. Just go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts. First, make sure the preset is set to Premiere Default. Now go down in the search box and search for Delete. For the Clear command, click next to it, and press Z key on your keyboard. This way, when you want to delete a clip, there is no need to move your right hand from mouse and press the Delete key. Also, add a shortcut Shift+C for Ripple Delete. Now search for Add Edit and add keyboard shortcut X for this command. And click OK. Now I can just select a clip and press C to delete it, or press Shift+C to ripple delete it. Or I can press X to cut the video at timeline position. And if you want to cut both audio and video, just click on A1 track 2. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.